Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to resize image Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your site and click on go to website. And now from here, just simply go to the pages over here on the left side and just simply select the page on what picture you are going to resize. And now just simply click on edit on the top left corner of the screen. And now guys, let's say I'm going to resize this image over here. Just simply click on it, guys, and you should be able to see this small box over here. So just simply resize it, and from here you should be able to change it based on your preferences. And as you can see, you should be able to see the mini blocks on the background in order for you to organize a little bit more. And from there, once you are done, just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen in order for you to save the changes that you made. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.